What's up, y'all? Big Herc 916. You're tuning into another edition of my vlog, and make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these cool videos I be posting out. And make sure to share the videos with your friends, your family, loved ones. Anyways, I'm at Saturday Shift Car Show here in Torrance. It's the third Saturday of every month, and they got a couple of really nice cars out here. Actually, lots of really nice cars. A mixture of old school, exotic, and what have you. So I'm gonna take a stroll through here and check out some of the cars and let me know what you guys think. So we got a couple Ferraris in the house. For you Ferrari fans out there, I believe this is a 360 Stradale, if I'm not mistaken. That's always a beautiful sight. Actually, it's the Challenge Stradale. The stripe on the top kind of distinguishes the Challenge version of the Ferrari 360. Very nice car though. Got a BMW 850. Still like these cars. If you are into classic BMWs and you know a little bit about Hollywood, this was in Spencer for Hire, and a man called a Hawk. He used to drive a BMW, but actually I think his was a 6 Series. But I think they had an 8 Series in one of those too, if I'm not mistaken. Shoot me a message and let me know. These cars have always been real clean and ahead of their times. I had an 840, which is the V8 version. The 850 is the V12. And this is one of BMW's touring coupes at the time. I believe it came out in the early 90s. Very nice car though. Timeless. And we got a Plymouth over here. Road Runner. I want to say maybe with 73, 72. Let me know in the comments which one it is. But super clean. It pulled up, it was rumbling. Had a nice cami sound in it. Super clean. Got the white interior. Pretty stock looking. Got the Road Runner on the side. Very distinct rear end, the way it sits up. But for the Plymouth guys, this is definitely a favorite. 440, big motor, muscle car. Lots of cool cars in the mix. A little bit of everything, like I said. You got Ferraris, old school, muscle, no Lamborghinis. But nonetheless, it's a decent turnout. Still early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Got a few Corvettes out here also for the Corvette guys. Newer Corvettes. Z06. Got the Stingray over here. And then we got a 458 next to the Corvette, along with a Porsche and McLaren. I never get tired looking at these cars. Iconic doors going up on it. Super clean. Get a peek inside the interior real quick. Very nice. I think this is I don't want to put my foot in my mouth, but maybe a 570? Leave a comment, let me know. I'm not sure which one it is, if it's a 570 or this 620. I mean, it's 600. I know it's not the 7. Got a couple more Ferraris here. I believe this is a 599. And then you have a Portofino, I guess. I think this has replaced the California. Both are super clean. Very nice Grand Touring Ferraris. I think this is another 599. For you Ferrari guys out there, if I'm saying it wrong, model, correct me. I'm not a Ferrari expert, but I think the cars are beautiful nonetheless. I gotta step my Ferrari recognition game up. But very nice cars. Got a Daytona coupe here. This car is one of Shelby's monsters that was dominating back in the 60s on the track. You can see this car's interior is all business. It's got the 8 stack jumping off on the motor. Motor's really set back right up into the cockpit, and that chassis is really reinforced. Suspension looks on point in this car. This is a really cool car that does the wonders on the track, but you got to be a driver.
Hey, Rob.
So that was the Saturday Shift Car Show. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about this channel, and I'd like to stay motivating you guys, dreaming big, and staying positive. Big Herc 916. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch.